How to delete conflicting add-ins in Outlook. Conflicting add-ins can often cause Outlook issues. They may even prevent Outlook from starting. In this video, we will learn how to handle problematic Outlook add-ins. Part 1. Open Outlook in Safe Mode. Safe Mode disables all Outlook add-ins. If add-ins prevent you from opening Outlook, you can open it using Safe Mode by following the steps below. Step 1. Press Windows plus R key. Step 2. Type in Outlook/safe and click on OK. Step 3. Choose the Outlook profile and click on OK. Step 4. If asked for login credentials, enter your password and click on Accept. Part 2. Delete conflicting add-ins. After opening Outlook, you can follow the steps below to disable the problematic add-ins. Step 1. Access the File menu, select Options, and click on Add-ins. Step 2. Next to Manage, select COM Add-ins and click on Go. Step 3. A new window will appear on your screen, consisting of all the installed add-ins. Uncheck the add-ins that you have decided to disable and click on OK. Step 4. Close Outlook and try to restart the application. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Remo Software Official for more tech tips, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Stay safe online.